Igbagu. Igbagu. Hey! China Jogwani ye Gio. China Jogwani ye Gio.
I believe that imagination is stronger than knowledge. Might is more potent than history. Dreams are more powerful than facts. Hope always triumphs over experience. Laughter. Is it not the only cure for grief? Kengagu believes that love is stronger than death. Truly I say unto you, when death calls a man, one thing is to kill him.
I greet you all. You all have seen the condition of my father. He's critically ill. Or flying abroad for a special treatment.
My dear Prince, your suggestions are quite okay. But according to tradition, it is our duty to take care of the financial responsibility for our care.
You are right, Honorable. The 5 clans that makes up Umujo Kingdom are supposed to put all their resources together to fly our king out for treatment. But the situation...
I don't need any help from any of you. I am capable enough to take care of my father. By weekend, King Gago in the job one of Umuju we leave for London for treatments.
Yes. Nietzsche. We've heard what our prince said. Nwoke akwaturu n'elu nwanyị. Onye nche ka agwa na ngede bu ya dra nkọ.
Gwebe na mgbawu.
We wish our king long life. You see. And a speedy recovery. You see. So shall it be. Easy.
Father, the elders of Umuchu clan have dismissed. I told him he'll be traveling abroad this weekend for your treatment.
My son, you have done well. I thank you. You are my son. Wago adata vivia. Wago neliano niani lili. Dalungam. I hear the voices of my ancestors calling me home, and I'm so weak, my son.
Calm down. Now take it easy. Take it easy, Father.
My son, there is something I will want you to know about our kingdom. My great grandfather
kingship with them. We have been ruling the whole Umuchu. And I want you, my son, to promise me, please, never to let this kingship leave Abuelu. I want you to reign, to continue my reign. I want you to continue my reign after I have joined my ancestors. Do you hear me, my son?
Father, I promise you, why are you saying all this? You're not going to die. I'm here for you. Besides, you'll be traveling abroad this weekend for your treatment, and you'll come back healthy. Please, stop saying all these things. Father! 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 Don't disturb me! No, you can't do this.
After all my pleadings, he still seized my answer booklet and pushed me out of the exam hall.
Tell me, how much is the loan?
2,500.
Just 2,500. Just go in and write your exams.
Thank you very much. What could I have done without you?
Now wait for yourself.
Alright, I'll just finish.
You're my boo. Good luck. I want to be with you. Your love is so sweeter than sugar, hotter than fire, my boo. Boo, you are my boo.
Baby, I can't stop thanking you for today. You are God sent. I don't even know how to pay you back for all the good things you've done for me since we started dating.
It's okay. What matters is the love and happiness we share. I don't know, but whenever I'm with you, I always feel alright.
I feel good anytime I'm with you too.
Hello, Daddy. What? How come? When?
What is it? Why did you not change?
My father just called me. He said my grandfather is dead.
You mean King Gago has joined his ancestors?
Ndichi, I must say a very big thank you to everyone here who in one way or the other contributed to the success of the last Ofala of King Gagu Deju, one of Umuju. Again, thank you. May Osebro protect our kingdom. I have called you all together for the planning of my coronation, the crowning and the ascension of Prince Nwagu onto the throne of Umuju.
My prince, did you say coronation? Hey. Another legend. Eh? There can't be such. There can't be another coronation or crowning of anybody from Abuelu clan.
What are you talking about? Why?
Because the kingship of Umuchu Kingdom is rotational. It is not a family business.
Abumba, shut up! It means shut up.
More.
Yes. I am Ichie Akedi, the head of Ichie of Agbelu clan. It is true that we are the oldest in Umuchu Kingdom, but it is our right to rule, not to be ruled.
Hey! Ichie Akedi, hey! Ihe a ga-afụ na ihe dị nnewu afọ ya na nke nwa ya ọ bụla alụ. Ekwanụ. Kide, I never expected to hear this from you. At all. You should know it very, very well. That the issue of kingship from time immemorial has been rational.
Yes!
You know it very well, I'm sure. It is meant to rotate from Abelu to Udo land.
The same thing my late father told me. It's our birthright to rule the kingdom.
Yes.
Because we are the oldest.
Tell them.
My prince, it is true that Agbelu clan is the oldest in Umuche Kingdom. But it is never their birthright to rule the kingdom forever.
Ndije, we all know that it is the decision of the Zemo to tell us who the gods have chosen as our next king.
My prince, what your father told you is the truth. If you go to neighboring kingdom, that is how it has been done. Happen there.
I will stand by the words of my father. No one will take what rightfully belongs to me. Umuchu Kingdom is mine and mine alone. And no one will change that fact.
I
am not surprised at all, because it is a crime to say the truth in your lineage. Your family and Satan is in communion, yes.
Chinyanugu, Chinyanugu, how dare you talk to me in such manner?
Listen.
If for yourself, Maga Kadaba,
But my king, this is totally not acceptable. Ademieme, how can those Ichies conspire to take away your birthright as the next king of this kingdom?
Desmond, the hearts of men are evil. The 4 Ichies of the 4 clans are against me. The head Ichi of Abuelu insisted that I'm supposed to be the crown king, but they refused to listen to me. They insisted that the kingship should be rotational.
This is serious. Abuelu is the oldest clan. They are meant to be the ones to be producing kings that will rule this kingdom.
Thus says my father.
Instead of talking of how to build an ancestral home here in Abuelu, they are talking rubbish. Talking rubbish. Huh?
They say Ezemo has the final say. He should be the one to appoint the next king.
Ezemo?
Yes.
Okay. Why don't we wait for the decision of Ezemo? Maybe he will still announce you as the next king.
If Ezemo says otherwise, there will be a tragic conflict in this kingdom. I stand by the words of my father.
My prince. My prince.
I hope you're enjoying your food.
You can cook. Don't you want to join me? What's this?
What is it?
It's like a ring.
A ring? Let me see. It's actually a ring.
What's a ring doing in my food?
Babe. I want you to be the mother of my unborn babies. I want you to be the woman I will spend the rest of my life with. Osisi Mama, I love. Will you marry me?
The rat that cannot recognize the presence of a cat will never recognize its own corpse. A chick does not wait until it becomes a hen before it will realize that the shadow of a kite is a treat of death. The kingship of Umuchu is rotational. And no human being can stop that fact. Ndichie, I have consulted Uju, the cause of our ancestors. The next king of our kingdom will be raised from Udo clan. But you go and come back in next 4 market days. When the gods will reveal to me the name of our next king, then I will let you know.
No problem. No problem. We'll go back and come to you again in the next 4 market days, like you said. But you see, that's not Nabu, Ebininazu, or something. So let us go and come back. Okay? We are going. Okay.
Hey! Umuchu! Umuchu! I have.
My prince, the other Ichis in Umuchu kingdom has gone to see the Ezemu. But I am afraid what is bigger than the cricket has entered the whole of the cricket. Ezemu said a new king will be raised from Odo clan.
When a little bird learns to fly without perching, the hunter will learn to shoot without aiming. I'm a moving train, and I will crush whoever stands on my way to the throne.
I trust you, my prince. Ezemu said that in 4 market days, that he is going to announce the person the gods will choose from Udo clan. What do you think about that?
Whoever the gods chooses should be ready for war, because I will never give up.
A leopard begets a leopard, not a goat. Your father was a very good friend of mine. He was a great king. How I wish he was alive today. All this thing happening shouldn't be happening.
Ichiakele, you better go home. Let your wife make you feel alright. I am bigger than them. I will send some of my guards to bring some items to you.
Thank you, my prince. You shall live long. I shall take my leave now. I want to go and see Otabulagos to collect some herbs from him. Right. My prince. Oh, you didn't hear?
Desmond.
I greet you. How are you?
I am fine.
You have come to see the prince, your friend.
Oh, definitely. Just good. Okay, I will be going inside.
Okay. Thank you.
Prince, you look worried. I saw Ichiakiri outside. I hope you didn't bring any bad news to me.
Ezemo has said that I should not be the crown king. He has teamed up with other heady chiefs to crown a new king from Udo clan. But I will wage war against them.
Calm down, my prince. Calm down. See, there are many ways to kill a rat. Oh yes, our people say that Nani will way. But I am telling you that you're going to deal with them. But I must advise you, physical violence is not the best option for this situation. Yes, because these people are 4 clans. If they decide to team up against you, my prince, because a tree can never make a forest.
Desmond, that will never happen. I will never allow the kingship out of this clan. Never. You know what I can do? You know what I can do, Desmond?
I know. Please, calm down. Calm down. Why don't we start by telling them to build an ancestral home? Oh yes. They should build an ancestral home here in Abelu, where every king will come and live. My prince, from there, we can penetrate their threshold and get the kingship back permanently. Yes.
Ndichi, I have heard what our Ezemo said. No one kicks against the decision of the gods. I have met with the head Ichi of Agwelu and some other elders of Agwelu's clan. We have agreed on what the Ezemo have said. But on one condition. Ichiakele, tell them the condition.
The king may come from any clan, but an ancestral home should be built in Agbelu, where any king from Umuju will live. It's a woman in a demi can do anam. It's no PK Kume. Do you breathe through the anus? Eh? That an ancestral home will be built. Oh, government house. Oh, me. It will not happen. California come. You know now. Utu. Na punye etu no wode koya kwaja. Mana office boy yeri. Kola siwi me. Let it happen.
My fellow Ichis, I think I see a sense in this condition. Maybe we should consider whatsoever they have said in order to allow for peace to reign.
It's a lie. Sassy? Oh. No, listen. Only men what a becket and we are. And we are the Brachie, and we are the Brachie. Oh? Such has never happened right from the days of our ancestors, and will never happen. An elder shouldn't sit at home and wash a goat to deliver white tied to the rope. It is not done. They will know what Agbelu clan. We never support that. Yeah.
Where a child cries and points at, either his mother is there or his father is there. I understand your plight, Prince Mwago. In all conditions, disputes and decisions, the gods may not be faulted. I think the best way is to consult the gods. And if the gods accept your condition, who are we, mortal men, to say no? That is my point.
Then we have to visit the Ezemo.
The decision of Ezemo will not count on this one.
Yes.
If he says otherwise.
I am Prince Mwago, the crown prince of Umuchu Kingdom. And I have the rights to give conditions, and the gods will listen to it. Oh, you in there? I forgot. He said that Muma is sneaky woman, even melon like
You're my boo, I want to be with you. Your love is so sweeter than
Are you serious? Wow, I'm so happy for you. So we can graduate together.
Yes.
I was even thinking you were Professor David's class.
Same here, but my God did it for me. And I am very, very happy. All thanks to you.
I'm happy for you. Very, very happy. So I think we should celebrate our graduation.
If my queen says so, and who am I to say no?
You're my boo, I want to be with you. Your love is so sweeter than sugar, hotter than fire, my boo. Boo, you are my boo. You're my boo, I want to be with you. Your love is so sweeter than sugar, hotter than fire, my boo. Boo, you are my boo.
Nna m buchara. Nna m wee bulu. Nna m ebucha wee na amanya wee sị m nwa m. Ọ dịkwa ka ọ ngwa ebukwa ife a. Wee na anya n'elu na anya na. Wee bulu ya bụ ife maka na akwọtụrụ mbe na nkịtị. The gods of our land have spoken. Our new king, the king of Umuchu Kingdom, will be raised from the family of Udo and the household of late Nanyalugo. I mean Chidoke Nanyalugo.
Get him ha! No. What a jan. Oh, we wonder even I wouldn't get na but you look at tea. May the gods be praised. Chidoke Nanyalugo is a son to me. As a more peace and progress will return to this kingdom. Come of assurance.
Here you go. Here you go. Yes. The gods have remembered your family. The gods have blessed you.
I am so surprised at both of you. We have not finished ironing the matters at hand, and you are here exchanging greetings. You have not said anything concerning the condition of the prince. How can you say, me?
That is very true. It is very true. Thank you for reminding us. At least once in a while you do something good. Actually, we, the elders of Umuchu, we met with the prince, talking about Prince Nwago. And we demanded that an ancestral home be built in Agbelu. Agbelu being the oldest clan in Umuchu. So that is it. And we are here to demand the consent of the gods.
Mbasi geburu wega n'iru achọkwala ese m iru a na-aga ụzọ dịkwa ya. Ma ụzọ dịkwa n'ebe a na-asị ka aga. Saying but not speaking is characteristic of the elders. Speaking but not listening is the characteristic of the young ones. Tradition is tradition, and tradition is sacrosanct. Nobody should defile Umuchu Kingdom with the building of any ancestral home. I am the only mouthpiece of the gods. I am following a step after my father and my great-grandfathers.
Thank you. We've had you. Boy, Chiakiri. I want to tell you, Kawari, you went on near and I finally.
Men who know Susan or the other people, mother. We have heard you.
Pull up a tap on the race. Bolopoto, I want you with I can't eat your one. Whoever says that our family name will not rise to a greater height, that person will not see the rising sun.
Amen. Amen. What is it?
I Asengin na bolokoto ababoniru. Ezemo, the chief priest of our land, just announced the next king to be.
Really? Hey, who did they mention?
You want me to tell you that? Hey, your son Otijo Kenanyelugo. Hey, Ngedogwo.
Chijoke, my brother. My son?
Yes.
Sit properly. My son. My son.
In fact, let me tell you, from now on, Chijoke Nanyelugo should be addressed as Chijoke Namoshimili one and Gambo of Umutu Kingdom.
So, I will be the queen mother.
One more.
And I will be the princess.
Hey, you see, there's some more from Maria Kembe.
Hey!
Hey, what are that? That's what we.
Hey!
Oh, come on. Yes.
Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Ah, Ike.
There is fire on the mountain. Fire! There is fire on the mountain. My prince, there is fire on the mountain. My prince, there is a new king as I speak to you right now.
Who is the new king?
Chijoke Nanyelugo, the first son of late Nze Nanyelugo.
I laugh in the face of danger. What about the condition of building an ancestral home?
Ezemo declined and warns that no one should try and build such.
You have taught the tiger's tail.
My prince, what I'm saying is this. If the new king must rule, we must break away from Umutu kingdom. Yes.
Yes, we must break away. I cannot be ruled by a small boy of yesterday.
Mban.
My prince. Ichiakede, you have to summon the other elders of Abuelu. Assemble them here in this palace. We have to do what needs to be done.
Yes. My prince, I will do as you have ordered. Let me do my way.
You're my boo, I want to be with you. Your love is so sweeter than sugar, hotter than fire, my boo. Boo, you are my boo. You're my boo, I want to be with you. Your love is so sweeter than sugar, hotter than fire, my boo. Boo, you are my boo. You're my boo, I want to be with you. Your love is so sweeter than sugar, hotter than fire, my boo.
The years ran so fast. I remember last 4 years, we were walking down this road, going for our registration appearance. And now look, it's a different story.
I can't just wait to go back. Mother must have missed me so much.
Likewise, my father. So tell me, when do we travel?
How about tomorrow?
Not a bad idea.
But before then, let's go somewhere.
The cause that affect the eyes also affect the nose. We, the elders of Agbelu, we cannot sit as human while we smell like a ghost. We are the elders of Agbelu Kingdom have decided to break away from Umuchu.
We shall not wine and dine with them. And we shall not celebrate with them. Let's organize and conduct our festival. Our forefathers will guide us. Let's crown him the king. And his name shall be called Odowarochu, one of Agbelu Kingdom.
Prince Nwagu, step forward and kneel before the throne. Ọbụna afụ ya, ọkwa ife unu si m ka m na-eme. Ọya banyere.
Ọya.
Ọya banyere. By the power vested on me, as the head Ichie of Agbelu clan, I hereby, I can crown you as the king, Nwagu, Odowarochu, one of Agbelu Kingdom.
Oh, my sweet daughter. You're welcome. How was your trip?
It is okay. Daddy, I missed you.
I miss you.
I missed the home. I missed everybody.
Same here.
Come, Daddy. I have gist for you. Plenty gist. Come.
Why not go to your room, freshen up, come back to the dining? I'll raise a wine glass in toast for your arrival. And I also have a surprise for you.
Really?
Yes.
Wow. Thanks, Dad. You're the best in the whole wide world.
Oh, nice to hear.
Okay, come.
Right.
You did not tell him about the rice. Mama is up and no further. Come, let me go and feed you with what I kept for you. Hey, look Kira.
Good afternoon.
My daughter, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Are you not Ebere? Alici's daughter?
Yes, indeed.
No. I am Nafuzo. Hey, can you imagine? Women with rapid growth. You've just grown to a full-blown woman. Little Ebere of yesterday. How is your mother?
She's fine now.
Anyway, when you get home, extend my regards to your mother.
Okay. Nai. How is Chijoke?
Oh, Chijoke, your childhood playmate. He's fine. The mother told me he'll be returning from school today or tomorrow. Yes, today or tomorrow.
Okay, I heard he has graduated from the university.
Yes! He was a very brilliant child in school. So, I thank God for his life. When he returns now, you will come and see him. It's all right.
Okay, now, I'm just coming from the market. So let me get home because my mother will be expecting me.
Okay.
Thank you, Nai.
Hey, what even more blue? Adazian, if I need a jacket, it won't make sense.
I'm so happy. It feels good to be home. I missed you. I missed everybody. I missed the kingdom. I can't wait to go for sightseeing and then take pictures at the hilltop.
I thought my presence should be talking about how to get a job and not to talk about sightseeing and all that.
Daddy, I just graduated. I've not even gone to my youth service. So why will you be talking about work?
It's alright. It's been a long while you're away from home, and since then so many things have changed in this kingdom. For that reason, you will no longer go out freely as you used to, for some security reasons.
Daddy, but it's just to take pictures at the hilltop. And besides, you promised that you will do anything that will make me happy. Your princess is begging you. Please, because of your promise.
Alright, I'll allow you to go to hilltop and take some pictures.
Thanks, Dad. Thank you. You're the best.
But you go with a guy.
Chijoke, there's something I want to tell you. I didn't want to say it over the phone because I knew you were coming home this weekend.
Mama, what is it?
2 days ago, the Ezemo made a pronouncement that you, my son, Chijoke Nanyeluko, is now the new king of Umuchu Kingdom.
Mama, I don't understand what you're saying. I don't really get the connection of me as the new king.
Chijoke, Mama is saying that Ezemo has announced your name as the next king of this kingdom. As a matter of fact, you should be addressed as King Chijoke, Nanyerugo, Namoshimiri, one of Umushu. Your Majesty.
Mama, please. I know this is a joke. It's a joke now. Okay, wait. Even if this is true, why haven't I been told since?
Chijoke, they wanted to call you, But Mama told them you'd be coming back this weekend, so they decided to wait.
My son, God has finally remembered us. Mama, please, just tell me all this is a joke and let's stop talking about it. How can I be joking with such a thing? It's not a joke.
Chiju, if you don't believe us, go and ask our uncle.
On my way coming back from the market today, I saw Chief Chinyelugo. And he told me that Chijoke will be coming back today or tomorrow from the school.
Hey, Berry, I know you can't wait to see Chijoke. In fact, I saw him today on the bike at the market junction. Probably he was just arriving.
Hey! Hey, are you serious?
I said I saw him with my 2 eyes. You're asking me if I'm
serious. Okay, you know what? I'm going to Chijoke's house now, In case my mother comes looking for me, just tell her that I've went to see Chijoke, Look at him. You look at this thing. Hey! Stop laughing. Yeah.
When will I now start from telling you stories? University stories are too much. Rika.
See, you must tell me all. I must hear them. You don't have to miss anything.
Okay, I will tell you, but before then I have to eat first.
It you like food. You like food.
Okay,
let me join Mama in the kitchen.
Alright.
You're looking so big now.
Really?
Ebere, you have come to see your childhood friends. Okay, let me leave you to.
Ebere.
Come on, sit down.
Hey, Chijoke. Okay, okay.
Ebere, please, I don't answer that name. Just call me Chijoke. Which one is okay one week?
See, let me tell you. To me, you are still okay one week.
Ebere, you will not change. You just reminded me of those old times. How have you
Why
been?
will I change? Have I not been in this village? No leave, no holidays.
Ebere, Ebere. Ebere, I missed you.
You are not a city boy, graduate. I just come to see you so that I want to go back to the house to help my mother in the kitchen.
Just like that? You won't even come inside to say hi to my mother?
Nah, don't worry, When I'm done with what I'm doing in my mother's house, I will come and see your mom.
See
you know, go?
Okay, if you say so.
Okay, mommy.
Chijoke.
Now you're welcome.
Hey. You are now fully grown into a man. Hey. You're welcome, my son.
Okay, now.
You're welcome.
I even wanted to come and see you before you came here.
You know, I was expecting somebody from your family to come and tell me if you are back. That's why I came to know what is happening. But thank God you are here already. Did she brief you what I told her?
Yes, that is even why I wanted to come and see you. You mean what Mama and Uma said is the truth?
I was there at the shrine and you were pronounced. I am telling you. But His Royal Majesty, King Chijoke, Namushmi, one Nkembo, Elumuchu Kingdom.
Nine. If the gods pronounced me king,
yes,
then That's good news.
Good news. Yeah, good for pa. Achiko. Tino ni mo pa. Because I say this blue raga. The elders gave me 7 days to provide you. It's just 2 days off, and you are here. So you have to prepare so that you go to the shrine. At the shrine, we are going there for your fortification, your edification, your purification, your beautification.
Okay, now let me get ready. Come inside.
Hey! What the?
Love is sweet, but power is strong. Power is what everybody wants. When hate swallows love and power takes over, nothing remains the same. The Queen's dagger went straight to the heart. The Queen's dagger tore the world apart. Life is over, love is gone. Misery in royalty. The Queen's dagger went straight to the heart. The Queen's dagger tore the world apart. Life is over when lover kills a lover. Misery in royalty.
I don't understand that kind of dream I had last night. It's kind of confusing.
What about the dream?
Imagine.
Hey! My friend, you are falling in love. Oh.
No, now. I can't fall in love. I can't fall in love with Chijoke. It's not possible. Chijoke is my childhood friend.
You talk as if I don't know. But my dear, I'm trying to interpret your dream for you. The earlier you start accepting it, the better for you. And you know he's going to be the next king of Umocho Kingdom, which will automatically make you the next queen if you two get to entangle together. My friend, you better wake up from that dream of my childhood friend, my church friend, my this, my that, before you stay inside so foam will blind your eye. Said my own no.
Come and sing me off to the road.
Chijoke, there is something I want to tell you.
What could that be?
I think I have feelings for you.
Bear, you're joking, right? You're joking because you know you can't have feelings for me. We're just childhood friends and nothing more.
See, I am serious. We've gone beyond that extent. We are grown up now. And I am a woman, I'm not a wood.
Shh, Bear. See, I understand how you feel. But the truth is, I still see you as that childhood friend and nothing more. No strings attached. I don't have that kind of feeling for you.
No. Chijoke, no. You should have feelings for me. Chijoke, you should. Okay, no problem. But even if you don't,
have feelings for me now. Maybe later you will have. See, love grows gradually like a flower. They say that a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a step.
Ebere, please. Let this drama stop. I have to go now.
Love is sweet, but power is strong. Power is what everybody wants. When hate swallows love and power takes over, nothing remains the same.
Ebere! What is it this time? Huh? You had another dream.
Another dream, kwa?
Yes, now because all of a sudden you turned to Joseph the dreamer. But wait, don't tell me you are thinking about Chijoke. Eh?
Yes. But I can't help myself. And the annoying part of it is that Chijoke has zero feelings for me. Just look at it.
Are you serious? And you are waiting for him to develop feelings for you? Why is he not now, girl? Waiting for a man to develop feelings for you?
Yes. What do you expect me to do?
What do I expect you to do? Seduce him and make him take you to bed. You don't want to be the queen? I want to come to the palace and be visiting you. I told you the truth. Queen.
I'm sorry about what happened the last time we met. Please forgive me.
It's okay. I have long forgiven you. If I haven't, I wouldn't be here.
I want you to forgive me. I was only following my heart.
It's okay. We are still friends.
You sure?
Sure. Ebere, stop. We can't be doing this. We shouldn't be doing this.
Why can't we? Tell me. Why can't we be in love? Or do you have another girl?
Yes, I have someone. And I love her so much, and I can't see myself cheating on her.
And you didn't tell me all this why. Yet you call me your friend.
Hey, Princess. Why did you ask me to take this way? The king instructed me to take you to the hilltop where you would take some pictures.
Because I want to see a friend.
I'm sorry, my princess, but I can't disobey the instruction of the king.
Listen, I promise I won't waste much time.
Sorry, my princess, I can't disobey the king. We'll head straight to the hilltop.
Back here. Take. Just use this to buy anything for yourself while you wait.
Princess, make sure you don't waste time, oh. Make sure you don't waste time, my princess.
I'll be back soon.
Okay. Alright. Be careful.
Alright.
Boy. Don't get joy, you. Be careful, oh, princess.
Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon, welcome. Are you looking for somebody?
Yes.
Onye?
I'm looking for Chijoke. He's my schoolmate.
Oh, okay. Chijoke! Chijoke! Mama? Somebody is looking for you. Mom, you're very fine, though. He's looking for you. Osisioma. You're welcome. Mama, this is Osisioma, my best friend in school. The one I told you about. Hello. Welcome. Oh. Get her a seat. Meanwhile, I'll be. How did you find here?
I've been here before. So how am I supposed to forget the direction easily?
You're welcome. How is your father?
He's fine. He restricted me from going out. I had to lie to him to come here. As I'm talking to you, a guard is waiting for me at the roadside.
Wow. You're welcome.
Nna. Nne, you're welcome, eh?
Osisioma, this is my beloved sister, Mma. And Mma, my heartbeat, Osisioma.
Ma, he has told me much about you.
Likewise, you. Mama, that girl sounds very nice.
Well, she is. Your brother said she's the girl that supported him financially all through his university days.
Mama, I like her. That is the kind of girl I want my brother to marry.
Look at her. I even heard that she's from our place, Umuchu. And that, well, let me just be looking at them. That was why I had to leave them, two of them, to talk. The water go,
hey! Mama, you can be funny at times, so.
Anyway, so we finish, so let me go and check what is on fire.
Okay, Mama.
Since we both left this village for our education, so many things have changed. But you're not a stranger to me, so I have to let you know.
What is it? Is everything alright?
The SMO has announced the new king. And he said that I, Chijoke Nani, will be the next king.
You? King? But my father is still the king.
That is why I said everything has changed. Your father is still the king, no doubt, because he broke out from Umuchu when the gods refused to enthrone him as the new king after the death of your grandfather, King Agu. So he is now the king of Abu, while Umuchu has a new king.
I'm still very confused. I don't understand what's going on. My father never told me about this.
Your father might have his reasons, but I still have to let you know, no matter how hard it seems. My mother is the best cook in the world.
Yeah, say it loud.
It's delicious as always.
I'm the one that prepared it. Mama only helps in putting the ingredients inside it.
See, man, whether Mama helped you or you helped me, all I know is that the food is delicious.
Lest I forget, that young girl that came looking for you in the afternoon, what's your intention towards her?
Yes, so she's beautiful.
Oh,
I like her.
Mama, she's the daughter of Prince One, the son of late King Dag. We've known ourselves for a long time now, and if God permits, we get married.
God forbid. You will never marry her, Bano. Huh? Prince Wago is a very dangerous man. Eh? A man that is tearing the whole kingdom apart. God forbid, you won't marry her.
Mama, please calm down. Eh? After all, he's going to marry the girl, not the father. See, Mama, personally, I prefer that girl to you. She's educated, Mama.
Mama, I understand the angle you're coming from. But the issue is, Mrs. Yama and I, we've come a long way together, and she has helped me so much. I'm not sure I can love any other person aside her.
Let's not make a quick conclusion on this issue. At least let's find out another way of resolving this conflict. Oh.
Understand.
Tell me, what caused the conflict between you and the chiefs of the Umoju Kingdom?
My daughter. So that I say I will tell you in no time.
Daddy, tell me, did you break out of the Umoju Kingdom?
One must do things when he can afford to do them. A chicken looks up while drinking water because what kills it comes from the sky. I cannot sit down and watch those cunning Ichies of Umoju Kingdom to destroy my kingdom while I'm still alive. So I decided to do something.
So tell me, what are your offenses?
The kingship of Umoju Kingdom is bestowed on Agbenu's clan, the oldest clan in Umoju Kingdom. But those cunning and evil Ichies conspired and took it away from me. But I must get it back. It's a promise.
Hi, Osi. You're welcome, eh?
Thank you. Ma, how are you doing?
I'm good.
Is your brother around?
Let me come.
Chijoke!
He's coming.
What is the problem?
I asked my father about what you told me the other time.
Let's go and sit. Tell me, what did he say?
My father said that those greedy, cunning Ichies conspired against him to take away the kingship of Umoju clan. So you are among the people planning against my father.
My love, you know me very well. And you know I can never be a party to evil. Your father lied to you. Nobody conspired against him. The kingship in Umuchu is rotational. And when one king dies, another is being raised from another clan. Your father proved stubborn, and he never wanted to step out from the corridors of power. And Abuelu clan supported him. And that was what caused the major conflict between Abuelu and the 4 other clans that made up Umuchu Kingdom.
This is just so strange. I wish everything can return to normal.
Such is life. The Ndichis, they've already fixed a date for the coronation.
I'm happy for you. It's just that this conflict is giving me so much concern.
It is okay. Everything will be fine. We are destined to be together. And I promise you, nothing can change the fact that I love you.
I also want to use this opportunity to thank you all for making my coronation a success. Just as our people say, Okuko Ana Echefo Yembayo.
Yes, that is true. Yes, you. Hey! DJ Gremu. No, wait, my king, I greet you once again. Igwe, your destiny has been designed by the gods of our land. And you shall continue to reign as King Chijoke Nnamushimiri, one of Umuchu. Nkambo Namuchu. Never. I don't know what I'm
You pay my foot. People were donating cash, cars to support him. My prince, the most annoying part of it is that, according to one of my spies that went there to the coronation ground, they said they saw your daughter. Coronation ground. What are you talking about? Yes, my prince. My prince, I was doubting it until I saw the pictures myself. I saw them. Are you sure of what you just told me? I'm very sure.
Bank it.
Gloria! Where's my princess? Where's Soma? Where's Soma? Where's Soma? Where's Soma? You've disobeyed my orders and I will make sure you get the punishment it deserves.
Daddy, are you okay? You're scaring me.
Shut up! You don't talk while I'm talking. Why must you drag my name to the mud? And how dare you attend the coronation of Chijoke after everything I have told you about them? How dare you?
Daddy, the king is my friend. We were friends in school. He invited me himself. I'm sorry for not telling you. But how do you expect me to ignore him?
Why must you be a friend with my enemy? Do you realize you're a princess? From today henceforth, you're banned from going out of this kingdom. Try me.
Daddy! Daddy!
Love is sweet, power is strong, power is what everybody wants. When hate swallows love.
Igwe, give it a thought. You need a wife. This kingdom is not complete and cannot be complete when you don't have a wife. We have beautiful maidens in this kingdom. You can go around the village and make a choice. Enna.
It is not a bad idea. But thing is, I have already found a girl I want to marry.
Enna. Oh, if you go to your nature, that's a good news. A good news. Who is the girl?
Her name is Princess Osisioma. And she's the daughter of Prince Wago.
Igwe. It is not good for a lion to die in the threshold of a goat. It is always better for a goat to die in the threshold of a lion. Please. The man you mentioned his name, Prince Wago, is a dangerous man. And to me, you made a wrong choice. I mean, your choice is not right.
My choices can never be wrong. All my life, I have dreamt of spending the rest of my life with a woman I love. And Osisioma is that woman. And there is no second choice.
Ibrahim. I am not totally against your choice of woman, but the intricacies behind that your choice. Please give it a second thought. Be good, be good, man. Ebele, hey, you cannot just tell me that. Are you trying to say that the king himself did not say anything to you?
Naichi, to be honest with you, I don't think the king is in love with me.
Are you saying he's seeing somebody else?
Hey. But that is not the main problem.
It's about you understanding that he is your possession.
Yes. You need to apply some, feminine tricks. You know what I mean?
I can't believe a man that is healthy, that will look at you and will prefer another, not you.
If you are crossing, let me go.
If you are moving, you whine it. It will definitely attract him, and by chance, you try to lure him into the bedroom.
Hey, a piano shanta modern. Don't make an shanta modern. Irunazu.
He will not have time for another person. Don't allow this opportunity to slip away from you. Don't try all these tricks. You will see, he is a man. Even as I'm sitting down here, I know how my body is. Biko. I need you in this family.
Naija, I must tell you the truth. I've tried. See, I think we are not destined to be together.
What do you mean? In our own days, it is said that the best way to a man's heart is good food. But in this generation, you see that these boys of these days, so the best way to a man's heart in this generation is...
Hello, baby. Yeah, how are you? Yes, I called to remind you to tell your father that I'll be coming with my people to ask for your hand in marriage.
Wow. Really? I'm happy. I'm very happy. Although my father restricted my movement simply because I attended your coronation.
See, baby, it's time we stopped hiding this relationship. We're grown-ups. And besides, my uncle is already on my neck to get a wife. I have already told him about you and the proposal. So tell your father about me too.
I'll try and talk to him. But I'm scared. I'm very, very scared.
Baby, you need not to be scared. This is the time for us to prove our love for each other. And we have to be serious about it.
Okay. I will. I just wish things will work out for us.
It is well, my love. Take care of yourself.
My king, it is said that the toad does not scamper in daytime in vain. Yes. We, the Ichis, are here to advise you on the issue of getting a wife for yourself.
A king cannot be complete without a wife. Our king is too big to be without a wife.
Indeed, my uncle and I, Ichi, we have talked about this before now. And I told him something that I have already found someone.
Tell us who she is.
She is the love of my life, Princess Osisio, the only daughter of Prince Van.
What?
Eugene, you heard what the king said. I have cautioned him, but he still insists.
My king, there is a problem. You are taking a very wrong step. Yes. I doubt if her father will allow you to step into his house. That is what I say.
Yes.
Huh?
You are right. As a matter of fact, you should consider this man as your number one king.
Nichi, I am sorry if I disappoint you in this one. Osisioma is my choice of woman. We both love each other very much. And I repeat, I cannot settle for any other person but her.
Hi! Nichi, one cannot withdraw from the battlefield because he's afraid to die. You may take a horse to the stream, but you cannot force it in the water.
We have heard what our king said. We should also understand his feelings. I don't think any of us have any problem with it.
Don't just say that. Don't even go there. How can you say you don't think any of us have a problem with that? I do. I have a problem with that. You just understand it. I have a problem with it. Because look at the guy you see where my problem is that will this man called Prince Mag allow the king to step his feet into his compound?
Please understand me. What I'm only saying is that we should support our king. Let the fault not come from us. Listen. I heard you said that one must not withdraw from the battlefield because of death. Yes. Agreed. You're very correct. But don't forget that he who runs speedily to the battlefield does not know that battle itself is death. Well, that is the truth. But what I am saying is that we should support our king in his stride.
The truth will not only be able to
It's okay. It's okay. Why is it that you don't want to tell me this person have made you shed this kind of tears? Chijoke, right? You are crying because of Chijoke that does not even care about you. It's okay. I don't like to see you like this. It's okay. Just live your life, forget about everything and move on. Look at me. Okay? The best is yet to come, baby. It's okay.
Daddy, I have something to say to you.
I'm listening.
My boyfriend, he proposed to me.
You mean a man is coming for your hand in marriage? That's a good news. Who is the lucky one?
Yes. You remember that guy I told you about? The one I said I met in school.
I can't really remember. Who is he and where is he from?
His name is Chijoke. It's from a book.
Chijoke? The one who went for his coronation?
Yes.
You must be out of your mind. Never you discuss this issue with me again. Alright?
To his marriage proposal.
It's okay. All hope is not lost. But I will still advise you to still talk to your father. Okay? Make him see reasons with you.
He won't listen. I've tried. I've done my best. What else do you want me to do?
Love is sweet, but power
Any problem?
Yes, Your Highness. It's the princess. She's not feeling fine. And she has not been eating since yesterday. In fact, her temperature is high.
When did this start?
Yesterday, Your Highness.
Where is she?
She's in her room.
My princess, what is the problem?
I'm having a headache. And I don't have appetite.
Your temperature is normal.
Daddy. Daddy, please. Allow me to marry him. Let me marry the love of my life. I can't do without him. Chijoke is my life. Daddy, we were friends, even before he became king. Do not let your kingship ruin your daughter's happiness. Please, Daddy. I love Chijoke.
The reason why you're sick is because of the boy who took away kingship from me. You're joking. It will never happen.
Daddy. Daddy.
I cannot withstand my daughter dying in emotional pain. She's my only daughter. And I have once promised her that there is nothing she begs me that I cannot do for her. But I can't watch her become family to my enemy. That will never happen.
My prince, why don't you allow your daughter to have her happiness?
Do you understand what you're saying? This month, if I should allow my daughter to marry that boy, I've virtually lost everything. And my father, King Gago, will be so ashamed of me wherever he is.
My prince, why don't you look at it this way? Since you want the kingship back, why don't you allow your daughter to marry King Chijoke? Then we can use your daughter as an insider to achieve your aim of getting the kingship back to Awilo. My prince, I must tell you, it is only your daughter
that can do that so easily.
You mean giving my daughter away to them will be an advantage to my wish?
My prince, it is simple as this. You give your daughter her happiness, and you get your kingship back.
So just tell me.
Okay. Our plan finally worked. My father agreed that I can marry the love of my life.
Oh, are you serious?
Yes.
Oh my God, I'm so happy for you, my princess. I'm so happy.
Thank you. Gloria, thank you so much. I really, really appreciate it. Tell me, what would I have done without you?
Everything, my princess. I'm so happy for you.
Thanks, baby.
My G's, I greet you all. I want to gladly inform you all that on the 20th of July, I, King Chijuki Inamoshi, the Inamoshi, one of Umujuke, will be taking the hands of the Princess Lucy's love in marriage, as the father approves. This is
we are happy.
So we shall all storm Prince Marley's
My instinct tells me that I have done a very big mistake. My father will be so ashamed of me wherever he is.
My prince, do not be too negative.
I'm not your prince, I'm your king, idiot.
Sorry. My king, do not be too negative. Slow and steady wins the race. Let us stick to the plan. And you have me to thank at last. Do you like it?
And what business?
Eh? That's it.
Hey, hold it. Is there anything wrong with what she said? Let her communicate on what concerns her. Are you talking to me like that? I will, and you can't do more than that.
I like the way you attacked that stupid girl. At least next time, she'll learn how not to poke nose in affairs that does not concern her.
I gave her the beating of her life. That's how they go about in this village, gossiping about people in their sharing. They don't have job, they are jobless. Yes.
And if you're not careful, they will even snatch your boyfriend from you.
At least I've taught them a lesson. But Yao, if I must advise you, leave Chijoke. Forget about him. Now that he's married, let him go. When one door closes, another one opens.
I will try. But you know it's not easy.
It's not easy, but you must try. Let's try.
hotter than fire, my boo.
Desmond, my daughter's attitude has changed drastically. She no longer called to check up on me as she used to. I don't think this our plan is going to work out.
Oh, my prince, calm your nerves. Put yourself together. See, Osisioma is still a young girl. She must be carried away by love and honeymoon. Eh? Bele. But I will take care of it. I will personally talk to her.
You better do that, because I'm losing my mind. I can't wait to see this our plan come to pass.
Oh, it must surely come to pass. I promise you that. Count on me.
All right.
Your father is totally not happy about you.
How?
You have stopped calling him on the phone. You don't check up on him like you used to.
How? I don't understand you.
Look, Osisoma, you know you are the only daughter of King Wago. You need to be very close to him. He's very emotional.
I'm sorry for not calling him all this while. But he should have told me himself. Why is he making an issue out of it?
You know your father is very emotional. There are certain things he will not tell you, and there are things he's expecting from you. Huh?
God, what do I do?
Okay, you know what to do now. Go inside, meet him, tell him you are sorry, and do whatever he says just to make him happy. Hmm? Huh?
I've heard. Daddy, I'm sorry. I'm very, very sorry. I never knew I was hurting your feelings.
Since your mother died in that ghastly car accident, you've been the only source of my happiness. That's why I've never allowed you to lack anything.
I know. That's what I'm saying. I'm sorry. I promise I'll never do it again. I promise to be a good girl. Forgive me.
Promise me you'll do anything to make me happy.
I promise. I'll do anything to make you happy.
Tell your husband Chijoke to build an ancestral home here in Agui. That way you make me happy.
Daddy, you know that's not possible. How do you expect me to tell him that?
That is the only thing that can make me happy.
Then I'm sorry to disappoint you, but I cannot. I cannot do something that I know will bring problem between the both of us. I can't do it. To my husband's house.
I want you to think about what. She has refused to listen to me.
Calm down. She must be blinded by the T-scale of love. But don't worry, I will take care of it. Mark it.
Nne m mụsara m were akwa akwụkwọ tinye m n'aka were akwa akwụkwọ kwụkwa m n'isi uwe gaba ekwuru mmiri ka mkpụrụ mmiri nga ṅụọ ọdụm dudu chiela m ụzọ agbajiri m ọdụm aka agbakwara m ọdụm onu na m dọwara ọdụmọnụ o. Mmiri enyi ka m bekwu na-etinye ụkwụ. It's not by staring hard that one sees the root. A planned war does not affect a lone person. To be forewarned is to be forearmed.
Wise one. You speak in riddles. Kuala and you speak in the language that my master and I will understand.
For you to achieve your aim of using your daughter as an insider, I have to possess her.
You have to possess his daughter?
The wise one, make me to understand. How are you going to possess my daughter?
I will invoke the spirit of wickedness and hatred inside her. Cause her to destroy the camp.
My king, my father wants to see me, so I'm going to Agbolu.
I thought you went to see your father last week. I hope there's no problem.
I don't know. That's what I want to confirm. But don't worry, I won't be long.
Well, I cannot stop you from going to see your father.
Alright, I'll leave now. Just take care.
Banquet, she's coming.
Daddy. Daddy, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my daughter. How are you?
I'm fine.
And how is your husband?
He's doing fine.
This mom, please, go to the kitchen and get us some juice. Don't mind me, my daughter. I was missing you, that's why I sent for you.
Daddy, I miss you too.
Same here. Same here. My daughter, today marks it 20 years I married your mother. So I thought it's wise if we come together and celebrate. This man, please, serve the juice.
Are you sure you took the antidote?
I can't afford to miss that.
Good. Let me rush and fetch Atakatabo. Huh?
All right.
Love is sweet, but power is strong. Power is what everybody wants. When hate swallows love and power takes over, nothing remains the same. The Queen's dagger went straight to the heart. The Queen's dagger tore the world apart. Life is over, love is gone. Misery in royalty. The Queen's dagger went straight to the heart. The Queen's dagger tore the world apart. Life is over when lover kills a lover. Misery in royalty. The Queen's dagger went straight to the heart. The Queen's dagger tore the world apart. Life is over, love is gone. Misery in royalty. The Queen's dagger went straight to the heart. The Queen's dagger tore the world apart. Life is over when lover kills a lover. Misery in royalty.
Zemo.
Chidoke sana numweze iyangidi mangi iya izana iyangidi mangi iya chidoka afale iyangidi mangi iya obona akwe mi beautiful awo mase wele fianko. If snake does not show its venom, it kills. We use it to tie wood. The slow movement of a tiger is never a mistake and can never be a mistake, but a calculated accuracy. If I would know, Ire and Bokot. And I don't have a bunya. On our, I'm not going to you do me? Atakatabo. I'm going to join. Not as I thought, Sam, in near Taranaba. Taranaba. Ibudum, you can't jack my muso, Ishina. It's in the put in the table. Nemo, Ibudu, Nemo, Ibudu, Nemo, Ibudu. Nemo, Ibudu, Nemo, Ibudu, Nemo, Ibudu. Nemo, Ibudu, Nemo, Ibudu, Nemo, Ibudu. She will sleep for the whole night, after which she will become entirely a different person who will want to do anything to please father.
Atakatabo, Is there any other thing we can do to her?
Atakatabo, what is this and what are we going to do with it?
This is Agwekwe. Do as I say. King Chijoke will take this thing for 3 days, after which he will obey the last order of your daughter. He must become a slave.
That's nice. Desmond will drop you off.
Love is sweet, but power is strong. Power is what everybody wants. When hate swallows love and power takes over, nothing remains the same. The Queen's dagger went straight to the heart. The Queen's dagger tore the world apart. Life is over, love is gone. Misery in royalty. The Queen's dagger went straight to the heart. The Queen's dagger tore the world apart. Life is over when lover kills a lover. Misery in royalty.
My princess. My princess. Who is your enemy?
King Chijoke Nayeluko,
And what is your mission?
to destroy his ruin and bring back the kingship to Agbeola.
Who do you revenge for?
I revenge my father and my grandfather, King Agu.
Excellent. That's not a go.
My queen, what happened? You left me waiting all night.
I changed my mind. I decided to sleep over. Do you have a problem with that?
No, not at all. But you would have called to tell me, or even pick your calls. Or wait, would you tell me you didn't see my missed calls?
You kept us on his last night.
Would you just shut up? Who called you? How dare you interfere in this matter? Now listen to me. I'm the queen of this kingdom, and you should address me as one. Nonsense.
Your Highness, did you see the way she talked to me? It's because of you I'm keeping quiet.
Your sister has come over me. Did she not see how she called my name? Come on, I'm the queen of Umuchu Kingdom, and I deserve to be addressed as one. Just leave me alone. I'm tired and I need to rest. Get lost!
Strange things is really happening in this palace. The queen is no longer the loving and kind like she used to be. Greetings, my queen.
Greetings, my queen. Listen to me.
When you're done cooking, call me.
I want to serve the king myself. Thank you.
Always, my queen.
Always, my queen.
Greetings, Your Majesty. The food is ready.
Okay.
Thank you, my queen. Have you noticed the queen's sudden change of behavior?
My sister, anybody experiencing this fate will notice a drastic change in behavior. And she will talk to the kids anyhow she likes.
And the worst part of it all is that the queen, the king is not even ready to do anything about it.
I'm also surprised.
Your Highness,
what are you two doing here?
Nothing.
Nothing, okay, sis.
What are you discussing?
No, nothing at all.
Are you sure?
Yes, my princess.
Okay. Get me my food. I'm hungry.
Baby, I wouldn't want what happened today to repeat itself again. I don't like it when we shout at each other. I want peace to reign.
It's okay, my love. I promise it won't happen again. Just go. Why are you spying on me?
No, my queen, I am not spying on you.
Who are you working for?
Nobody, my queen. I am not working for anybody.
Now you shut up your mouth. I repeat, who are you working for?
I swear, my queen. I am not spying on the royal household. I swear on my parents' grave. I am not in...
You just shut up! Shut up your mouth! Guards! Guards!
Yes, my majesty.
Good. This maid here, she's spying on me. Not just me, but the entire royal household. So now chase her out of this palace.
Please, my queen, I swear.
Okay, my majesty.
I am not spying on you. My queen, please. Please, my queen, please. Forgive me, please.
Take her out!
She's on her way. Make sure she's there.
Guy, play.
I'm gonna play this game.
Play, I know you play with you, play.
Alright.
Bad guy. Where you get this card from, sir?
No, I don't understand.
No
be shoot to bed.
Bad nigga.
If you shoot to bed, shoot him, bro.
I wait, ma give you the baddest.
Come on. No be shoot to bed, dude. You know bad, dude.
Play now. What's up? You delay this thing. Play.
Come on, bring your 500 naira.
Now give her. You know.
Bring your 500 naira.
What reason is for this matter now?
No reason.
Bring your money now.
Bring your money.
Boss.
Hey, make way for senior man.
Yeah, look, bring the 500 naira.
Papa, we there here.
I don't know ya.
So I left for the boss. Get left.
No be shy.
All of you follow me.
Osisioma! 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 What is wrong with you again? Mama told me you insulted her just because she asked you why you sent the maid away. Why did you even send the maid away?
They are lying against me. Just look into my eyes. Can't you see it? My king. Your mother and your sister, they are devilish. They are jealous of our love. Please, my king, just send them away. Send them back to your father's house, please.
Okay, my queen. It is what you say I will do.
Just go.
Is sweet, but power is strong. Power is what everybody wants. When hate swallows love and power takes over, nothing remains the same. The queen's dagger went straight to the heart. The queen's dagger tore the world apart.
Hey! Oh, what a man of such a mercy to you have it, please. Hey! Let's have back to base. Back to square one. Come inside, Mama. Hey.
Tore the world apart. Life is over. Love is gone. Misery in royalty. The queen's dagger went straight to the heart.
Umezuluni na gani? Hey.
What am I seeing? Correct, as so this thing I heard that your son, King Chiju Namoshimi, chased you out of his house.
My enemies have succeeded at last. They have turned my son against me.
What was his reason?
Uncle, after I had little misunderstanding with his wife, the next morning, he asked his guards to throw us out of his house, saying that we are evil because of a little girl, Uncle.
Ichie, my enemies have succeeded, though.
I must meet him. I must go and meet him. He must tell me the reason why he did this. Eh? When I was saying it, it's as if I didn't know what I was saying. Eh? I said that nothing good comes from Prince Wago's family. Just because of a girl. Look at it. What an elder sees while sitting down. These young people of this generation cannot see it, even if they climb on top of the mountain. Look at it. You supported him. You supported him to go and marry that girl. What is happening to you now? Everything is falling back on you. What? I have to be on my way. Huh? And I get Gary. Yeah. Gary Kwasi. Hi. Yeah, you.
This is Gloria. She'll be my personal maid. She's in charge of my chambers. I don't want to see any of you there unless you take permission from her. Did I make myself
Huh? You went back. What have you done? Can you tell me the deed that will make you to send her back to her husband's house? Eh? And I'm going to you went back.
You see, both my mother and my sister are evil.
Eh?
They do nothing else but create war and conflict in my house. So, I sent her back to her husband's house.
Chelo, Igwe, your mother and your sister are evil. Before Koketa, when you were with your mother in your own very house, in your father's house, was she evil, Koketa? Hey, Igwe, Igwe, please. This thing is not the rightful thing to do. Eh? Just try to understand. You didn't take an issue. Eh? Because, eh? Right. An evil person.
Go in peace.
Hey, Igwe, I know your mother. I know your sister. Evil.
Father, I have succeeded in tearing the family apart. I have fed the mother and the sister with pain. The king is all alone. I control him.
Excellent.
He is mine.
Excellent. You will now move to the next stage. Tell your husband to build an ancestral home here in Agwe.
Your wish is my command. My king, I want you to do something for me.
What could that be? Just say it. You know I can do anything for you.
Promise.
I cross my heart.
I want you to build an ancestral home in Agwe as a way to show loyalty to my father.
Wow. What a wonderful idea. Wait, how come I never thought of that? Brilliant girl. Not to worry. Tomorrow morning I'll summon the Ndichi and I'll tell them my decision.
Yes.
Come here.
Ugomma. There is nothing good about this afternoon. Where is your mother? Call her for me. Ugomma.
Ichie. What is it? Why were you shouting?
The vulture has perched at the hunter's target.
You're speaking in riddles.
The bee has perched at the scrotuminal sac. If you leave it, it will suck the whole blood out. And if you decide to kill it, you will break the scrotuminal sac.
Uncle, please, tell us in the language we can understand.
Goma, your son, our king, King Chijoke Namushimili, decided to build the ancestral home at Abelu. Yes, how can I make it up?
Hey! Hey! Finally, my enemies have succeeded. Oh. They have succeeded. They have finished my son.
Let me be on my way.
They have finished my son. Oh. Hey!
You're my boo, I want to be with you. Your love is so sweeter than sugar, hotter than fire.
guy is telling me. Eh?
Boss.
Are you going bananas? How can you tell me that with all your weapons you can't bring a single man down? How?
Boss, we fired him severally, but the gun refused to talk.
The gun refused to talk? The gun refused to talk?
Boss, apiala yi igwe piakwa the thing abala okula aka kan na agwa. Apiala piakwa the thing akula aka.
Meanwhile, where is Dada?
Boss, we lost him. Like as in Abagi Ongo, we lost him.
Talented. You guys are so incompetent. Rubbish.
But wait, where you come from, sir? Where they make noise anyhow? Go see meet again. No reason now we dey here. Eh?
My prince, the boys have messed up. They totally failed.
Why? What happened?
I don't know. They're so incompetent. I'm thinking of the next thing to do.
We have to poison King Chijioke Namoshimili. That's it.
My king, are you okay? What's bothering you?
I'm fine. Come and sit. You see, my queen, this afternoon, I was having a slight headache. But after the meal, now I'm feeling good. And the headache is gone.
Oh. I'm so happy, my king. Very happy. Father, my husband has refused to die.
Did you give him the substance I gave you?
Yes. I poured everything. And after taking it, it's made him stronger instead of killing him.
Strange.
There is nothing strange about it. Look, he is a king. He may have one or two antidotes he uses for protection.
So what do you suggest we do?
Let's take the life out of him.
How?
My queen, why are you still awake?
My king, I just want to ease myself.
Come and cuddle me, I'm cold. Come.
He has refused to die. My daughter called me this morning to tell me that she couldn't strike the king. That an unknown force will be told her each time she tries to strike him.
Serious? The king must have acquired some metaphysical powers. Yes. Ujegusie. Ujegusie.
Wait, is that why he has refused to die?
Oh, yes.
I see.
Okay. My king, I will advise you to meet at Akatabo. Yes. Since the king has become proof to physical powers, we will attack him with metaphysical powers.
Yes, ma'am. I trust you. You can tell me.
The king is not an ordinary being. He was chosen by the gods, and the gods gave him supernatural powers. No physical weapon fashioned against him shall prevail.
Wise one, what can be done to supersede his powers?
When a child is what he longs for, the king has hair all over his chest. As long as he bears those hairs, no being born of a woman is strong.
Are you suggesting that we will shave off the hairs? I'm
not told should be
My goodness.
My king, the hair on your chest is getting too much. Don't you think you should cut them off?
No, just allow it. I can't take it off.
Why? Why don't you just take them off? Because they are becoming irritating.
Just allow it. I can't take them off, okay?
Okay. I'm no longer comfortable with it.
My queen, I want you to consider what I'm about telling you the top secret. You see these hairs on my chest? They are not ordinary. They are for protection. With these hairs, no man born of a woman can destroy me. It is what protects me as king.
Wow! I'm so happy. But you didn't tell me since. Why?
Yes, that is why I said it is a top secret for your ears alone.
When did it start?
Since after my coronation as king. Why are you asking so much questions about the hair?
Come, take this money.
Get me shit stick. Hurry. Go! Take this juice so that you can free your mind from the worries and complaints of this kingdom.
My queen, I adore you so much. And you know, I appreciate the fact that you still stand by me, despite the trials and tribulations I am facing in the kingdom. You know, my body and soul would not be enough for all you've done for me.
My king, it will be enough. Just drink this, then I'll go outside and get some.
As it pleases my queen.
Just drink.
After you. Mama! Eh? Mama, darkness has overshadowed the light, Mama! Nebe! Eh? On my way back from my friend's house, I saw Olujuku. She said that the queen stabbed the king with dagger, Mama. Joke is being rushed to the hospital, Mama. Wait. You mean my son is dead? No, Mama, he's not dead. I said he's being rushed to the hospital. He's still alive. I said it. My enemies, they have finally succeeded in killing my son. I said it. They have killed me. They have killed me. Oh.
Please, where did they take you to? This way. Hey.
What happened? Take it easy. We've lost him.
Huh?
He couldn't make it. Because he lost so much blood.
Hey!
I'm sorry, sir.
Doc, wait. You said what happened to the king?
I'm sorry. He's dead.
Hey! Hi!
Take heart, Jay. He lost so much blood. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Take heart.
Hey! Hey! Why you come no amas para não acusar aí, né?
A fly that has no castellum follows the corpse to the grave. Something greater than the cricket has entered his home. Oki ikuku nefe na nkwo nefe na abalị gbogbo m unu.
What is the problem, Desmond? I think King Chijoke Namoshimele is dead. But he caught your daughter, Osisioma, tied her up in the palace.
I thought she was a smart girl.
My king, as I speak, Ezemo is coming to pronounce judgment on her. We must do something very urgently.
This month, we must do something because I know Ezemo too well. They decide to feed their body to the vultures of Utushrine. No, I cannot allow that to happen.
Must do something. Think. We must boycott them with the police. Yes. We can't allow her to stay a moment in their evil hands. They will unleash cannibalistic acts on her.
Desmond, do you know why I love you? Because you're a smart boy. Yes, I have to call the DPO right away.
Her father possessed her to get the throne. Yes. He seeks to get back the kingship to Abuelu. He has succeeded building an ancestral home with the community money. She's evil. Yes. Tie her up. You take her to the shrine. She will be there. The vulture will eat her flesh every day by day until she turns to a skeleton. Take her out.
I'm Inspector James from CCID Asaba. It's an order for you to release Wayne now. I say right now. Now move.
I can't allow my only daughter go to jail. She's my future. Can't watch her suffer. She's too young for that.
I understand. Maybe we should meet the chief judge. He's a friend, and I believe he can do something about this situation.
Wait for me here. Let me see the barrister. Okay.
Okay.
You have to help me on this. If she goes to jail, my entire generation is wiped out.
My king, what you're asking me to do is too difficult for me.
Justice Obior, remember I've helped you in the past. When you had that issue that also cost you your job, I came out and took the matter personal. This is the time for you to help me.
My king, evidence is well pronounced. If I try such things, there will be a lot of complications.
There must be a way out of it. Please, my only daughter will not go to jail. Can't stand that. That can never happen.
Unless you go on her behalf, are you able to refuse the first punishment?
How did it go?
Partly resolved. I will go in instead of my daughter.
What?
I need to talk with my lawyer. Take me home.
The evil queen has deserted us.
She deserves it. You see, my problem is with Chijoke. I cautioned him. I advised him. I told him that nothing good comes from Prince Marco. Yes. Nothing good comes from him. Yes. But he wouldn't listen. He did not listen to me. I told him, don't marry that girl. But he still went ahead and married her. Where is he now? What is his fate? Kedichi Joke.
Are we just going to sit down and fold our hands without doing anything to avenge his death? If you ask me, that girl should die, either by hanging or by a firing squad. Because if you allow her to go to jail, Prince Iwago will still find a way to bring her out.
As for that girl, she's already dead. Onya no no kumoketa na white na madu. I'm telling you, that's where her spirit is. She is dead. So stop thinking about her. If you ask me, the person I really want dead is Prince. That is the person I really want dead. But as for the girl, what you are singing is just her physical body. The spirit is already in hellfire, dancing Mapusa.
I'm willing all my property, both the ones I inherited from my father, to my daughter, Princess Osusunu. I want her to have access to my accounts, both Naira and dollar accounts. Yes, Mom. I want you to make sure that my daughter leaves the country immediately after the exchange. I want her to start up a new life in a new environment.
Your wish is my command, Your Majesty.
Your Majesty, that means I have to include this information to the ones I have in my possession and then bring them for you to sign.
Alright.
If that's all, Your Majesty, I think I have to take my leave now.
Handing everything to you. I want my daughter to be very taken care of. Please, don't be disappointed. You can always count on me, Your Majesty. Look me in the eyes and say that you will. You can always count on me, Your Majesty.
Come out!
Princess, listen, you have to be strong for me, okay? Alright?
Okay.
I have to go.
Huh?
Yes.
Please. Where are you going to?
Yeah, for your good.
No.
Just now, take care of her.
No. No. Daddy, please. Please don't go. Don't touch me. Daddy, please. No. Daddy, please.
Sorry about everything. I love you. Just now, take care of her.
Daddy! 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 What's my fate?
We are going to the airport.
To the airport? Yes. To do what?
My princess, you're in charge of all your father's property and money. He has paid for all your bills and I'm taking you to the airport. You are heading to the United States to start a new life.
And my father? Where did they take him to?
He's going in for you, on behalf of you.
What?
Yes. For you to stay alive, he has to sacrifice himself.
No, no, no.
After being found guilty for the murder of His Royal Highness Chijioke Nnamoshimili, one of Umuchi Kingdom, Prince Mwago was sentenced to life imprisonment.